मगर सपोज करते हैं कि इनपुट टैक्स 80 है। सपोज हम सपोज करते हैं कि आउटपुट ऑफ आउटपुट टैक्स इज इक्वल टू 100। ₹100 and the input tax is equal to ₹80. The dealer will pay the, the dealer will pay 100 minus 8, that is ₹20. This ₹20 goes to the government. This is to the government as GST. ये गवर्नमेंट को जाता है जीएसटी के तौर पर। को समझा? टैक्स जब टैक्स हम डीलर पे करता है परचेस करते हो तो वो इनपुट टैक्स होता है। जब डीलर टैक्स कलेक्ट करता है कोई भी चीज सेल करते वक्त तो वो आउटपुट टैक्स होता है। अगर हम सपोज करते हैं कि आउटपुट टैक्स जो ₹100 है, इनपुट 80 है, तो डीलर को पे करना पड़ेगा 100 माइनस 80 इज इक्वल टू ₹20। और वो ₹20 जाता है गवर्नमेंट को जीएसटी के तौर पर। ओके, समझ लो। We have started the chapter GST. We have completed exercise 1. We completed exercise 1, exercise 2. Exercise 1 we have completed. Now the exercise 1B we are doing. We have done question number 1 and 2. One was MCQ and second we have done fill in the blanks. This is the question number 3. 3 is the goods services are sold from Agra, UP to Kanpur, UP for the 20,000 and then from Kanpur to Jaipur, Rajasthan, if the rate of the GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is 5,000. Find the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Yeah, and it is given GST received minus GST paid. See here. In the goods service, when the goods and service sold from Agra to Kanpur. This is the intro. This is intro. Kanpur. This is intro. क्या हुआ? नहीं मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही अभी बताओ। Goods and services sold from Agra to Kanpur. This is a इंट्रा। मैंने क्या बताया आपको? कानपुर आगरा से कानपुर यानी कि स्टेट सेम है। यूपी से यूपी में ही गुड सर्विस को सोल्ड किया जा रहा है फ्रॉम आगरा टू कानपुर फॉर 20,000। तो यहाँ एसपी फॉर डीलर इन आगरा इज इक्वल टू 20,000। Next GST is 18%. GST given is 18%. We will find out the CGST. CGST would be 9% of 20,000. It comes to how much? 9 upon 100 into 20,000 is equal to 1,800. Is equal to 1,800. Similarly, we'll find out the SGST also. It is equal to 1800 only. This is also the 9% of the 20,000. GST में हमारा 18% आएगा. ये जो है टोटल इनपुट, ये हमारा टोटल इनपुट टैक्स हो गया. The GST for the dealer tax for the dealer in Kanpur. This is equal to 1800 plus 1800. That is equal to 1800 plus 1800. This is equal to 3600. 3600. Now, when the goods and service sold from Kanpur to Jaipur, when goods and service sold from Kanpur to Jaipur, this will be interstate for the dealer in Kanpur. Here input tax, that is ITC, input tax credit, input tax ITC is equal to 1800 plus 1800 is equal to 3600. अभी हमारा CP क्या है? CP is 20,000. Profit is 5,000. Then SP will be CP plus profit this is equal to 20,000. This is equal to 20,000 plus 5,000. That comes to 25,000. Now we'll find out the IGST. क्योंकि ये इंटरस्टेट है तो हमारा अभी IGST क्या होगा? IGST in bracket output tax. This is equal to 18% of 25,000. That is 18 upon 100 into 25,000. That comes to how much? 4,500. अभी देखिए आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है net GST payable. Find the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. The net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur is equal to output GST output GST minus input GST GST input GST input GST. The net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur is equal to output GST minus input GST. This will be equal to how much is the output is 4,500 minus 3,600. That is equal to 900. Next, the cost of the good service at Jaipur. सेकेंड हमसे ये भी पूछ रहा है वो द कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड सर्विस एट जयपुर. गुड सर्विस द कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड सर्विस एट जयपुर this is equal to this is the total cost SP from Jaipur plus IGST. Total cost is equal to SP from Jaipur plus IGST. SP is how much? 25,000 plus IGST is 4,500. The answer comes to 29,500. So there are two answers are given. One is this is cost of food service. Yeah, the answer is one only 29,500 only. The cost price they have asked. For GST received minus GST paid. The next GST payable by the dealer that we found out. Yeah, two answers were given. The net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. This is the first one. That is 900. Second, they have asked the cost of the good service at Jaipur. This is a 29,500. आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा.